taga New Zealand. Sino to?
Wala na Rubilay.
Hello? May taga New Zealand. Uy! Hello? Hello, ma'am. Uy, oh my God. Uy, kaibiganin natin to. New Zealand to. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, ano po may paglilingkod ko, ma'am? Ma'am, yung si Winnie, ma'am, nakasangla. Hello?
Nag-English ka, Rubilay. Nag-English ka. Di ka Tagalog.
Hello, ma'am. Pangalan po, ma'am?
Nag-English ka. Nag-English ka, te.
English?
Oo.
Hey! Hey! Hey, madam, what is your name? Uy, naka-New Zealand. Foreigner ato. New Zealand nga, o nga, New Zealand. Tignan nyo. Sino nga tanga foreigner ato? Paano nalaman nyo yung Facebook Live natin? Hello, ma'am? Napukaw sa New Zealand doon. Ang magkapinunan. Hala? Ito man. Tawanan mo eh.
Meron pa siya. Hello ko naman.
Nagpati-pati lata na bakit?
Baka loka latan.
Ay! Hala? Sayang yung New Zealand. Ngayon lang na yung tumawag eh. Diba? Taga New Zealand? Saglit lang, ma'am. Sino yun, ha? Hoy! May tumatawag po na taga New Zealand. English? Hi there. How me? Saglit lang. Ilipat ko lang yung ano. Hoy! Winnie!
Sabi ko kasi sa'yo eh. Wala pa naman akong
sa likod. Ma'am New Zealand, Ma'am New Zealand, wait there. Wait there at the waiting shed. Foreigner at Wayne.
Kaya nga ako naman.
Kaibiganin natin to. Uy, ma'am. Amerikana. Ma'am, nakasangla ni Winnie.
Batiin mo ni Dalibor na.
Boring ako.
Ma'am. Sayang. Matupos ko kumadinsan lang nga Winnie. Ayan na sa tumatawag po na taga New Zealand. Sa totoo lang, New Zealand po. Sino kaya ito? English, foreigner. Ma'am New Zealand, my wife is in pawn shop. Nakasanla. My wife is pawn shop to the to mayaman here. Ay, you call again, ma'am. Wait lang. Just waiting shed. Jan Paul Villanueva, idol pa sa tatman, kini Alawigan Balibar. Ma'am, you call now, ma'am. Wait lang. Bakit wala pa rin, ha?
Wait lang.
Kung magbasa muna tayo, no? Antay natin si New Zealand ulit. Idol pa siya tatman, kini Alawigan Malimar, nga agtik-tiktok manin, nga na si kami, Jan Paul Villanueva. Robert D. Bautista Jr. Shoutout man kini Melvin Fernandez na advisean nyo kanu suna no.
Yan.
Ayun na. Hello? Hello, madam.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is too slow.
Too slow.
Ma'am, you like this? You kulong-kulong the cellphone, you like this? Hello, like that. May na.
We just always hang up for you, hang up. You your phone.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. How can we do for you? What's your name, ma'am?
Didinggay ko
You can just call me Ruby.
Hindi, may English to eh. Mahirap to. Ma'am?
You can just call me Ruby.
Ah, Riri! Oh, your name is so cute, Ma'am Riri. Ma'am Riri, how can you do for us?
First of all, I would like to ask if how are you and your family?
I can't hear myself. Myself.
So,
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead, ma'am. What?
this is Equal.
Tell what?
Me and Dalibor is listening on your live.
Oh, thank you. From New Zealand. They watching me.
Yeah, he's watching on your live at the moment while I'm speaking with you.
Ay! I'm so excited.
Nakanaw ako mangon.
I can't hear everything.
So you're with your wife at the moment, right?
Ma'am, can you shut out? Can you shut out? Like, hello, what's going on there? Like that.
Hey, what's going on?
Your voice is...
Did I get it right?
We can't hear you here, ma'am. Your voice is too small.
I need to ask you so you can understand me. Is that correct?
Nakanaw ako mawatan.
I'm going to be using my headset.
Yes, ma'am. You say what you want to say, ma'am.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yan! Ayan! It's very big your voice now.
Better now.
Yes, it's very big your voice. Yes, we hear you now, ma'am.
So you can just
Yes, you say what you're saying, ma'am.
You don't call me mom. I prefer you calling me Ade.
Ate ka no.
Ay, hindi ate. It's ate. Ate? Yes, ate. How what you will say to us, ma'am, ate?
Yes. First of all, I would like to greet you everything. I would like to greet you there. How are you?
How are you ka no?
How are me? How are me? Me is fine, ma'am. Good. Ay, ma'am, my wife is in pawn shop. I pawn shop her.
Why?
Nakasanla yung asawa ko.
Why?
I need you.
To have her.
You're so very rich, ma'am. I need you. My wife is in pawn shop.
Nagpaparamdam na si Bobbie.
Oh, you can't reach me because I'm not in the Philippines at the moment. That's why.
Oh my God. Yes, you're in New Zealand, right? Where exactly in New Zealand? Are you in there from beside the road like that with Petron, Shell?
I'm just inside the house at the moment.
Okay, fine. So you call our show, ma'am, for what?
It's just like you're entertaining. I watch your YouTube channel with
Yeah.
conversation with Immersion,
Oi.
and I was just browsing at the moment with Facebook, and then I just came across on your Facebook Live. And I
Yes.
just wanna say, and I just wanna let you. I just want to request actually for you to get a shout out. It's my Dalibor. My love of my life. It's his birthday today, and I just want you to tell him or shout to give him like happy birthday.
Oh! Oy! Happy birthday, ma'am! Ano bang sinabi niya lahat?
No, it's not my birthday. It's not my birthday. It's Dalibor's birthday.
Dalibor ka.
Oy!
Not me.
Ay!
So
Okay.
I'm saying,
Okay.
we're not close enough for you not to recognize or not to have in your memory my birthday.
Ano sabi niya? My memory, ma'am. I have my memory, ma'am.
Di birthday na ka no.
After all,
Naka. Nakabasin.
forgot my birthday.
Ay!
Ala.
It's today. It's not my birthday today.
Ay!
It's like 7 days ago.
Nakabasin din daw.
Ay, ate, you know, I'm busy with my work, ate, and I don't know why. And I'm belated happy birthday to you and to Dalibor. How is Dalibor? How is he big now?
Dalibor, it's not big to Dalibor because it's currently it's his birthday today.
Ah, it's currently birthday. Happy birthday.
That's why I'm calling him.
Yes.
I'm calling
Ay,
you now because I want you to greet him. I'm requesting you to greet him happy birthday.
Hi, Mr. Dalibor of New Zealand. Happy birthday. How are you, bro? Are you now bigger enough for us? Eh? Ganun ba yun?
Oh, you can actually talk to him now because he's watching on your live video at the moment. And what I'm calling you.
Yes, Mr. Dalibor, happy birthday to you. I'm your one of, you know, your face is like my face too. We,
10 times, like you need to take about 10 times for you to get his skin color.
Ate, how can I call Mr. Dalibor? What do you want to call her, Dalibor? Dalibor or what?
No, you just call him Dalibor, you know.
Ah, Dalibor! Happy birthday, Dalibor! If you hear right now, happy birthday, Mr. Dalibor. You know, your face is also my face.
It's literally at the moment, and yeah, he got smile on his face at the moment, and he's so entertained. He's being entertained by you.
Yeah,
So he's so entertaining.
Mr. Dalibor. When you look at me, you look like you're looking at the mirror, right? When you watch me tonight, you seems you think, oh, is this my face like that?
He might be wondering what happened. You know, he might be wondering what happened.
Yes, Mr. Dalibor, happy birthday. Currently, anong nakuryente siya? Bakit currently?
Hello.
Currently,
So thank you for that.
don't play with the current, Mr. Dalibor. Your currently birthday, don't play with the current. It will shock you. Ma'am, wag mong paglaruin ng current. Makuryente.
At the moment, he's holding his head at the moment, just wondering what.
Maybe he's not realizing my saying. Mr. Dalibor, currently, happy birthday. Like when you see me in my live, like you see your face in the mirror, right?
He's just smiling here. Alright, thanks for your time. And before I hang up, because it's too late already, it's actually around almost 3 a.m. already in here.
Yeah, my God, 3 a.m. You still awake?
So you're lucky that I'm spending time actually talking
Oh my
to you.
God, that is so warming to me. Warming to me.
Anyway, just let me know about, how's Brian?
Oy, Brian, come here, come. Is Tita Eche, right? Eche, baby. Ah, wala na yung bisikleta mo.
Shout out.
Hello, Tita. Hello sa New Zealand.
Hi, Brian. Okay, send my regards. Give me my, quick wings for him. Winnie, thank you for him. Send his hand.
Thank you very much.
What you want.
Tita Rubie,
Hello,
thank you very
Brian.
much.
Ano gusto mo for Christmas? Huwag mo, ako naman nagtuturo mo ba?
Ito,
Ano gusto mo for
Rubuli.
Christmas? Yeah.
Christmas.
Happy birthday.
Ay, Carol ka, mag-Carol ka. Nagka-Carol sa akin sila.
Happy birthday,
Dalibor.
Danibor.
Carol. Call Tito. That's his song. No, that's his song.
Hi, ma'am, when do you go to the church and have marriage?
That's her.
Mr. Dalibor, when is the time you ask Ma'am Rubilin to go to marry her.
Oh, don't be so excited, okay?
Hey, Dalibor, you do what you do. Be a man up and you give... Anong tawag doon? You give birth. You give birth.
Decide when. Okay?
Apa. Yes, ma'am.
All right, Brian, what do you want for Christmas?
Bro! Oh my God.
How about?
How about me? I'm the guest.
I'm not singing now.
I'm the guest of honor right now. Why me? Why not? Come. Dali.
Kailan ka sa akin, Brian?
Kaibiganin na mayaman to na. New Zealand yan. Nakasanla pa si mama mo. Hindi pa natutubos.
What do you want for Christmas?
Ano daw gusto mo sa Christmas?
Oh, si Santa yan, Bride Santa. Oh.
Si Santa
Sabihin mo
yan.
na lahat.
Extra kasi nagke-carol sa akin eh. Ano
Oh,
pwede
sige
mo
na.
kantahin para sa regalo mo?
Ano to? Gusto mo regalo?
Oo.
Sana po matubos na namin si mama.
Di ba yung si Santa yan? Si Santa.
Bibi, ano daw si Santa yan? Nak, baka bibilin ka ng New Zealand yan.
No.
Hello, Brian. Kumusta? Kilala mo kung sino kausap mo?
See?
Hello? Hindi naman yata narinig.
Meron.
Meron. Okay, Brian, what do you want?
Tita?
Yeah? What do you want? Ano gusto mo?
Robbie. Eat.
Ruby.
I love you.
I love you too. Anong cake pwedeng mag-carol?
Kanta ka daw ng Christmas song. Kanta ka ng Christmas song.
Ano pwede mong kantahin sa akin for your caroling na?
Ate nga balay, tay na turong me. Goes like that, ma'am?
No, I don't like that kind of song.
Ma'am, thank you for... Ay, uy, wala pa yung... Nako, yung mama mo.
Sige, message mo na. Message mo sa akin, mag-isip ka muna ha, Brian. Message ako ni mama.
Merry Christmas.
Ha?
Dapat sinusuruan ka, di ba?
Merry Christmas to you.
Oh, Merry Christmas din, advance. O, sabihan mo ako ha, sa ano, sabihin mo kay mama ko anong gusto mo. Pati message niya ako ha.
Ang gusto ko doon.
I'll hang up for now na ah.
Thank you ka mo, Brad.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Sige.
tita.
Sige,
Tita.
pagkabait ka ha.
Opo,
Pagkabait ka.
bye-bye,
Thank you for
tita.
your time.
Bye-bye, tita.
Ading Winnie, Bobbhie.
Yes, ate.
Nakitang Bobbhie, ay daydream na.
Ay! Ay, si Madam Rubilin ay meron po siyang YouTube. Yung YouTube pangalan niyo po, ma'am. Oo nga, bakit hindi na asikaso yung YouTube niyo, ma'am?
Ay, sige nga pala, pa-edit
Gawin mo
ko
sa
ng
ako.
mga kong videos actually, but I don't just have time to edit my video. So,
Oh, sige,
Send mo
sige.
sa akin ko nung. Send mo sa akin ko
if you want, you can edit my videos and, you know.
Yes, I will. Yes, I will edit the video, ma'am. Eh? May sideline na naman si Tito.
Saglit lang.
Okay, ma'am. Sige po, ma'am. I-edit ko po. Yun lamang po, ma'am. Wala ko yung shoutout, ma'am.
Wala na yun lang, happy birthday. Muna.
Ay, Mr. Dalibor. It's time for you to ask Ma'am Ruby if how you marry, huh? Will you sure to marry her?
You'll get that.
Si Bobbhie excited.
I'm excited. I will go to New Zealand when you get married, ha, ma'am?
Sige, ipon ka wala ng pamasahe.
Thank you, Ma'am Ruby.
Sige, then, i-message mo ka, Winnie. Ano gusto ni ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Ma'am, ano pong pangalan ng YouTube channel, ma'am?
Huwag ako minamang dyan, Bobbhie.
Ate, what is your YouTube channel, Ate?
I'm not sure now. Wait lang, I'll have a look. Wait.
Ruby,
Ako din nakalimutan ko na sa tagal na hindi ako upload. So it's Ruby Adilio, so R-U-B-I, and then Adilio is E-D-I-L-L-O.
RUBIEDLLO?
Are you best friend? Are you a best friend of Ruby? You don't even know how to spell correctly.
No, no, Mama. What I know is RUBIE. All I thought is RUBIE. No, it's RUBI like that.
Oh, so you're not my follower. I thought you're my follower, so you should have known it.
No. Oh my God. Wala na yung ano. No, wala na yung Christmas natin. Sayang.
R-U-B-I lang. R-U-B-I.
Well, I thought we all thought is RUBIE Edilio.
Oh, sa YouTube ha. Sa YouTube.
And your video are what kind of content? All about?
Some mix actually, but I actually prefer na well, I just actually want to let my viewers see the beautiful scenery of New Zealand. So mainly about New Zealand. Alright, so mga gustong pumunta ng New Zealand that, we know that most of us cannot afford to go, so if they watch my YouTube, on my YouTube channel,
Yes.
makikita nila yung mga beautiful sceneries about New Zealand.
Oh,
I just need someone to
yes.
actually edit my video, so
Yes.
if you can do that for me, then, it's good.
Yeah, you contact me, ma'am, for your editing.
Wala na yung mo, minamam mo ako, wala nang Christmas sa'yo.
Ay, Ate, you call me and you pass me the video and I will edit, Ate.
Oh, sige, good. Maybe soon, okay?
Oh, mga kabagis. Ay, thank you, Madam Ruby Edil ng New Zealand. Thank you, ma'am.
So much.
Thank you for your time.
Good at what you do.
Bado nga
Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Kaya ko naman.
Take care. Dalibor, take care.
Bala, dito ka na.
Ayan po si Madam Ruby Edilio at nakasapulan po nga nasa New Zealand with Dalibor. Ay, Mr. Dalibor, happy current birthday. Kay Ma'am Ruby Edilio, I'm sorry mama, nakalimutan. I'm sorry ate, because I forgot your birthday, no? Fernando and other sweet naman yung anak mo. Thank you. Dalibor, current, don't hold the current, but happy birthday. Yes. Happy birthday, Mr. Dalibor ng New Zealand. Mr. Dalibor. And Miss Ruby Edilio. Happy couple ng New Zealand.
Happy birthday to you.
Come on.
Happy birthday,
Mr. Dalibor, I will sing for you. Happy birthday, ha? Happy birthday, Dalibor. Ano ba yun?
Oo, basta baka mag-
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Basahin ko nga lahat ng
birthday to you.
Nawala na ako eh.
Pati ako.
Happy birthday.
Tawagin mo nga si Diana.
Ano nawala?
Ayan Mr. Dalibor ng New Zealand with her fiancé, Ma'am Ate Ruby Edilio.